Imagine, a new day begins with the gentle rays of the sun slowly appearing on the horizon. This is the magical moment you can experience when watching the sunrise at Sanur Beach, Bali. Here, every morning offers breathtaking beauty as the sun starts to greet from behind the sea, casting shades of orange and gold that blend perfectly with the blue sky. The sound of the calm waves, accompanied by a gentle breeze, creates a peaceful atmosphere, as if the world momentarily pauses to celebrate this perfect natural beauty. Sanur is not just one beach, but a collection of beautiful beaches lined up along its coastline. Each beach in Sanur has its own uniqueness and charm, offering different experiences for every visitor. Starting with Segura Beach, known for its calm waves, it's a perfect spot for swimming or just relaxing and enjoying a peaceful morning. Its cozy ambience allows you to momentarily forget the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Moving on to Sanur Beach, here you can not only enjoy the beauty of the beach but also contribute to environmental conservation by participating in turtle conservation activities. You can have an unforgettable experience by releasing baby turtles into the sea, helping them start a new life in the wild. On this special day, Sanur Beach is filled with an atmosphere of enthusiasm and joy. Several high schools from across Bali have gathered here for a turtle release event. The students, dressed in their colorful school uniforms, are eager to participate in this meaningful moment. The event is further enlivened by the presence of Adam children from Papua. They join in the celebration with their energetic participation in a beach cleanup activity. Together, everyone enthusiastically picks up trash and debris along the shoreline, contributing to the cleanliness and beauty of Sanur. This event not only serves as an important moment for environmental conservation but also marks the celebration of Indonesia's Independence Day on August 17th. Through these activities, all participants come together to celebrate the spirit of independence and unity, while contributing to the preservation of marine life and environmental cleanliness. With the bright sun shining and the calm waves, this event combines various cultural and environmental elements into a celebration full of significance. It is a special day that teaches us the importance of cooperation, diversity, and love for our homeland and nature. It's a beautiful way to connect with nature while enjoying the tranquil beach atmosphere. Not far from there is Karang Beach, renowned as the best spot to witness a stunning sunrise. Surrounded by the vast sea view and refreshing air that calms the soul, this beach provides the perfect setting to start your day with positive energy and enthusiasm. Each beach in Sanur has its own uniqueness and charm, so make sure you explore them all. A visit to Bali wouldn't be complete without exploring Sanur Beach, enjoying its natural beauty, participating in fun activities, and tasting the local cuisine. And don't forget, in the next episode, we will delve deeper into the experience of visiting each beach in Sanur, exploring the beauty, activities, and hidden uniqueness that make each of these beaches so special. So, stay with us, and see you in Sanur.